through sound, through power of the Most High. Jah. Praise Jah, all you people. Serve Jah with gladness. Come before His presence with singing. You must know that Jah, He is God. It is Him that has made thine eye, but not thine eyes. And we are His people and the sheep of His place. Enter into His gates with thanksgiving, and into His courts with praises. Be thankful unto Jah, and bless His name, Jah. I like it once and once, and it's a humble request that everyone must feel welcomed once again. After that time until this time, feel welcome. Yes, it is not by mistake, but it is by honor and by privilege that I may gather again this time.
You also know that a very Asian home